Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this October the 2nd, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Thursday out there. So for everybody, it's a great Thursday evening. Hope everybody can stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the tropics and portions of the lower 48. You can pretty much across much of the lower 48. Looks pretty quiet, stretching from New Brunswick, Newfoundland, St. John's, southeast Canada to portions of the Dakotas, also Montana, down to Texas, northern Mexico as well, portion of the northern Gulf, Florida, you included. Bahamas looks good. The Leeward Island looks good. The National Hurricane Center is going to be tracking two little areas of tropical development possible. Something may be developed here in the northwest Bahama Islands and also just east coast of Florida. Could move over to the northeastern Gulf. We'll watch that as well. We'll show you that in tonight's video as well. Something may develop here in the MDR region from the Leeward Islands over towards the south of the Cabo Verde Islands as well. You can see this tropical wave here. That's the one the National Hurricane Center said it could get over in that vicinity. Got some scattered activity across the MDR region. More activity over South America, Central America, and also the Eastern Pacific. Alrighty, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and we're going to continue getting the show on the road, and we're going to take a look at your local forecast. Also, we have some severe weather to talk about in tonight's video as well. And also, like I said, if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Alright, here is your Friday outlook. We got some showers and storms up here across southeast Canada. Also shower activity in northern Maine, also New Brunswick. Thunderstorms and showers elsewhere, stretching from Toronto, Ottawa, Canada, back over toward northern Michigan, Wisconsin, also towards central and southwestern Canada, through Minnesota, through Montana, through the Dakotas, Nebraska, to Colorado, to New Mexico, California, Oregon, up to Montana. A little bit of shower activity over here in Washington, Oregon State, coastal water, some thunderstorms and showers, southwestern Canada region, also a little bit down in New Mexico and Arizona, South Texas to the northern Gulf, portion of southern Alabama, through the Florida Panhandle, Big Bend area of Florida, down toward the Florida Key, Atlantic coastal waters, all the way over toward the Outer Banks of North Carolina, including a little bit of South Carolina on the I-95 corridor in southeast Georgia. Alright, you got some flash flooding and heavy rain over the east coast of Florida. Got some mixed precipitation in Washington, Oregon, Montana, Idaho, Washington State, a little bit in South Dakota, Colorado, Utah, Nevada, and California regions as well. Otherwise, expect your high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Friday. Alright, let's see if we can get on over to your Saturday forecast here. We're going to take a look at it. Okay, we're still waiting for it to pop up here. Alright, we got thunderstorms and showers from the Outer Banks of North Carolina, right along the I-95 corridor in South Carolina to the southeast Georgia, Florida Keys, Atlantic coastal waters, Florida East Coast, more over in the northern and central Gulf, also southeast Texas, southeast Louisiana, over in the Mississippi and Alabama, portion of New Mexico to Utah, Nevada to Idaho to Montana, through the Dakotas, southeast Canada, back and through Nebraska region as well. Got some heavy rain, flash flooding over the east coast of Florida. Got some mixed precipitation in Washington, Oregon State, Montana, Idaho, Wyoming, a little bit in South Dakota, Utah, and Nevada region as well. Got some shower activity across southeast Canada, just north of portions of Ottawa and Toronto, Canada, stretching into the New Brunswick area as well. Otherwise, expect your high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Saturday. Alright, let's move on to the current watches warning advisory map, your location across the nation. Okay, I ain't got much to talk about here either. So coastal flood advisories up here from New Jersey down to the Outer Banks of North Carolina, eastern North Carolina. Got some flood watches and flood warnings there as well. Also in the portions of DC area, also east coast of Florida, hydro issues, some flood watches also for you guys. We have some special weather statements in Georgia, air quality alerts over here in central and eastern Texas, coastal flood advisory along the Louisiana coast, wind advisories over here in portion of northern Arizona, southern California, freeze watches in effect for northern California and other southern Oregon. Winter storm watches are in effect for a couple counties here in Montana and northern Wyoming. Red flag warnings for northeastern Wyoming, and western South Dakota. Flood watch is also in effect here in Idaho. Smoke right advisory, gale warning from up here in the Seattle, Washington, all the way down to San Diego, California. Also over here from Lake Charles, Louisiana, all the way over to Miami, Florida. And then again from Miami, Florida, all the way up into the New York City area, around the Boston area. Hawaii and Chain Island looks good. Some around the Alaska region. Got some winter weather advisory inland. Also coastal flood statements along the coastal areas, and also some high surf warnings there as well. Storm warnings in the purple. Alright, Storm Prediction Center outlook. Going to take a look at your Friday outlook. Okay, we got general thunderstorms up here around the Great Lakes, from Charleston, South Carolina to Miami, Florida, to Brownsville, Texas, Tucson, Arizona, Reno, Nevada, up to Great Falls, Montana. And then there's that marginal risk stretching from Durango, portion of Colorado, up to Jackson, Wyoming, also towards Butte, Montana. Tornado probability looks like this: less than 2% all areas. Damaging winds 5%. Large hail 5%. Alright, let's move on to your Saturday outlook. It's going to look something like this. Alright, marginal risk from Cheyenne, Wyoming to Fargo, North Dakota, Grand Forks, North Dakota as well. General thunderstorms from Duluth to Durango, all the way to Pablo and Jackson. Then from Charleston, South Carolina to Miami, Florida to New Orleans, Louisiana. Probability should be around 5%. And there it is. Alright, now let's move on to the National Hurricane Center. We're going to show you those little tropical waves that they're watching. Here's Milda. We can say goodbye to her. Here's that little system here off the southeast coast. And there's the east coast of Florida, which is going to move into the northeastern Gulf, which has a 10% over the next 2 days and 7 days. And this one here, the one I showed you moving off the African coast. Let me move it down. Okay, we have 0 and 20% over the next 7 days. So tropical development here, tropical development off the southeast coast, and also in the northeast Gulf. I showed you tropical weather outlook last night, and that's where they was pretty much showing this area here in the MDR region. They was not showing this here, but one model a couple weeks ago did show something right along the Gulf Coast state. So that may be the system here that we need to watch as well. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next ones. Have a wonderful Thursday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.